Welcome to our complete guide on window cleaning, where we transform tricky tasks into simple, satisfying wins. Dealing with streaks, grime, or hard water stains, you're not the only one. These are common window woes. Today, we're tackling these issues head-on with easy, effective methods using everyday household items. Follow our guide to sparkling windows. Make window cleaning fun and simple. Let's see what we need. Chances are, it's all right in your kitchen. Meet white vinegar, your window's new best friend. And some water. Yes, plain old H2O. A little dish soap is fantastic for cutting through grease. And for a fresh scent, a squeeze of lemon juice or a splash of the bottled kind. Mix equal parts tap water and vinegar in a bowl. This duo makes an excellent cleaning base. Now, add just a drop of dish soap. It enhances your cleaning power. Finish the solution with a squeeze of lemon juice, fresh or bottled. It adds a fresh scent and boosts cleaning. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. This makes it easy to apply to the windows. Give your bottle a good shake to mix everything together. Your homemade window cleaner is ready. Let's start cleaning. Spray the window with your homemade cleaner, covering the glass evenly. Wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. And just like that, clean and streak-free windows. Moving on, let's deal with those stubborn paint splatters on your windows. It's not as tough as it looks. For this, you'll need a razor blade. No fuss, yet highly practical. Grab a spray bottle and fill it about halfway with water. Then, add several drops of dish soap. This makes for a gentle yet potent paint softener. Give it a good shake to mix it all up. Your homemade paint softener is ready. Spray the soapy water onto the paint. Let it sit for a minute to soften the stain. Gently scrape the paint with the blade. Hold it at an angle. Be patient and careful. Wipe off any residue with a cloth. And there you go, paint-free and clear windows. Paint removal can be so easy and effective. Let's dive into the magic of vinegar for crystal clear windows. It's a natural wonder. White vinegar is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a window's best friend. Start by pouring vinegar into your spray bottle. Just about half the bottle will do. Next, fill the rest with water. Equal parts water and vinegar make the perfect mix. Give it a good shake. This blends your natural window cleaner beautifully. Spray the mixture onto the window. Just a few spritzes should do. Now, take a cloth and wipe. It's incredible how quickly it cleans. Look at that. Your window is not just clean, it's vinegar clean, streak-free and shiny. That's the vinegar method for you. User-friendly, effective, and non-toxic. Let's address those challenging hard water stains on your windows. They might be tough, but we've got the solution. Squeeze some fresh lemon or pour bottled lemon juice into water. Lemon's natural acidity is perfect for this job. Dip a cloth into our lemony solution. Make sure it's nicely soaked. It's your main tool against those stains. Gently rub the stains with your cloth. The acid in the lemon breaks down the mineral deposits. Once you've tackled the stains, rinse the window with water. It helps in removing any lemon leftovers. Finish by drying the window with a clean cloth. It's all about leaving that perfect streak-free shine. And just like that, your windows are free from hard water stains and sparkling clean. Streaks no more. Let's dive into getting those windows crystal clear and streak-free. A squeegee and a microfiber cloth are essential. Let's put them to use. Fill a spray bottle with plain water, nothing fancy. Next, add just a drop of dish soap to the water. This little addition makes a big difference. Give the bottle a good shake to mix your solution. You're now ready to tackle those streaks. Spray your window. A light coating is all you need to loosen the dirt. Use the squeegee from top to bottom in a smooth motion. It's all about even pressure here. Finish off by wiping the edges with your microfiber cloth. It's great for catching those drips and avoiding streaks. Voila! A pristine, streak-free window. It's like giving your house a new pair of glasses. There you go. Spotless windows every time. Simple tools, excellent results. Get ready for a clever and eco-friendly cleaning hack. Using newspaper to clean your windows. First, roll up a sheet of newspaper into a ball. This unconventional tool will amaze you. Now, pour white vinegar into your sprayer. Vinegar is great for cutting through grime. Fill the rest with water. This vinegar-water mix is a powerful cleaner. Spray your window. A good, even coating does the trick. Take your newspaper and wipe the window in circular motions. Watch the dirt disappear. Check this out. The newspaper not only cleans, but also polishes, leaving no streaks behind. Just like that, clean, streak-free windows using newspaper and your homemade cleaner. Easy and green. Scratches on your window can be a real eyesore. But don't worry, we have some simple fixes to help you out. First, grab some white, non-gel toothpaste. This common household item can work wonders. Squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto a cotton swab. We'll use this to target the scratches. Gently rub the toothpaste over the scratch in a circular motion. The mild abrasive helps buff out small scratches. After buffing, use a damp cloth to wipe away the toothpaste. Be gentle to avoid any further scratches. Let's inspect our work. The scratch should be less visible, if not completely gone. With just a bit of toothpaste, those small scratches are no longer a problem. Your window is back to looking great. Let's turn our attention to the window tracks and frames. A clean frame can really make your windows shine. First up, vacuum out any loose dirt from the tracks. This prepares the area for a deeper clean. Take a spray bottle and fill it with water. This is the base for our cleaning solution. Add a few drops of dish soap. This mix is great for cutting through grime. Generously spray the solution onto the tracks and frames. It'll help loosen up the dirt. With a small brush, like an old toothbrush, scrub the tracks and frames. It's perfect for tight spaces. Wipe away the loosened grime with a damp cloth. You'll see the dirt come right off. Rinse with a bit of water to remove leftover soap. This ensures a clean, residue-free finish. Finally, dry everything with a clean cloth. Your window tracks and frames will look brand new. There you go, perfectly clean window tracks and frames. It's amazing what a difference it makes. Let's focus on wooden window frames now. Proper cleaning can really enhance their beauty and help them last longer. Begin by dusting off the frame with a soft brush or microfiber cloth to remove surface dust. Fill a bowl with warm water. It's effective yet gentle for cleaning wood. Squirt a bit of mild soap in the water. This mixture is ideal for wood surfaces. Carefully wipe the frame with your sponge or cloth soaked in the soap solution. Gentle strokes here to avoid damaging the wood. Use a slightly damp cloth to go over the frame. This step is to ensure no soap residue is left behind. Immediately dry the frame with a dry cloth. This prevents moisture damage to the wood. Your wooden frame should now look refreshed and vibrant, enhancing the overall look of your window. There you have it. Simple steps for maintaining and protecting your wooden window frames. We've reached the end of our window cleaning journey. Remember, regular care and the proper techniques can make a world of difference for your windows. Thank you for joining us. We hope these tips help you achieve beautifully clean windows with ease. If you found our guide helpful, please like this video, comment with your thoughts about window cleaning, and share it with friends who might find it useful too. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical home care tips and tricks. See you next time!